We also know, hold on, I gotta turn it around so I can see. Here is a hyacinth carrying a palm seed.
Are these pictures you've taken in the field?
Yeah, these are the fruit we were just talking about.
What's
So,
it called?
This is Cospondias moonbeam. They call it a June plum.
That sounds easier. Okay.
When bananas are eaten, they're never eaten ripe. Wild parrots will only eat very green bananas.
Now that looks like a plantain. Do they?
Yeah,
both?
they'll eat, yeah. But
They
by
both?
bananas, I'm using the whole
Okay.
As an aside,
musa.
are Africans different because they're a different continent, or is it
No, they will eat the same.
it's basically
So,
okay?
rose-faced parrot. There are ripe bananas. I cropped the photo. There were ripe bananas down here, but they were eating the green.
Interesting. They're probably real bananas, or plantains probably.
So,
I think anything they find.
whatever they look, and then where you do see ripe fruit, such as that orange one there, what do? They pick a green.
Really?
They avoid sweet fruits at all costs.
Oh.
With two exceptions. Desert parrots, where there's no other water, so they have to wait for the fruit to ripen.
Oh, wow.
And the Socorro Canyon, where there's no water on the island. The only way they can get it is from fruit.
So my problem is when I go to the grocery store, of course, everything's ripe.
Well, not necessarily when you buy them.
Well, I think what you do is you avoid fruit
And just do heavy veggies.
and do vegetables. First of all, they need a lot of beta carotene. So it's much better.
So like sweet potatoes, is that good?
Sweet potatoes are good. You know, they're rich in, they have sugar.
They have sugar,
But-
but they have beta carotene.
And you want to blanch them to break the fiber so that when they transit the gut, they can absorb
What
it.
if they're cooked?
Um,
Because I cook them and then like sometimes we eat them, sometimes I give them to the birds,
yeah,
sometimes
that's
it goes
fine.
to both.
That's,
Okay.
You know, parrots don't like mushy food. They like food that has integrity.
Texture.
Yeah, okay. I follow what you're saying because I see what they can't even grab it when it's mushy.
Right.
Yeah. And when you say the chop, do you mean like the food that like people talk about chopping it and then you can put it in the freezer, like that kind of thing? Because in other
No,
words,
it's
like
taking everything and putting it in a food processor and grinding
food
literally.
okay,
Oh.
so that it's okay. Because one thing I've noticed that's really kind of cool is a lot of them they'll either hold whatever it is, right? But the truth is, I can tell that in nature, it would be on a tree and the tree holds it for them, right? Like they're taking a bite.
They'd hold it. You'd be amazed. Well, I just shut that down. If you saw that little red speckled conure, he was holding what he had just harvested.
Well, because they hold some, but like I don't give them a leaf of kale.
See? Like, for example, the Puerto Rican parrot eating a green guava fruit.
Yeah, he is holding it. Well, I tend to give them pieces because otherwise it falls through the cage and
Right.
it gets wasted. And like it seems like if it's in small pieces, they do better. I don't know.
Yeah, you want small pieces, but you don't want this mush. It's
Yeah,
got to have some
yeah.
integrity.
Yeah.
And they will waste. Parrots are tremendously wasteful.
And when I saw that they spread seeds, I understood why they're wasteful.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why. For example,
Yeah.
the blue-throated macaw, the only reason the population has crashed is because they were chopping down the Palm Islands. The birds were disappearing. And now that the Palm Islands are coming back, they're coming back big. Because the macaws drop so much of this stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
They expand their habitat.